Welcome to the Tourist Week channel. The most beautiful, most fascinating destinations in the world. For those who love adventure, without ever stopping, for those who love to explore the world, alone or in company. For the curious, for wild people who love nature, for those who love to travel with their love. Discover this fabulous world of travel for yourself, daydream and get inspired on your next destination. Whether it is near or far, it will be your next experience to live. Tourist Week today offers you a new idea for your next vacation. 10 places to visit in Mexico. Mexico, it is a country located in North America, bordered by the United States to the north and Belize and Guatemala to the south. It is known for its rich history and culture, delicious cuisine, beautiful beaches, diverse ecosystems, and warm and friendly people. Its capital is Mexico City, and the official language is Spanish. Mexico has a population of over 130 million people, with a predominantly Hispanic culture and language. The official currency is the Canadian peso, and it is easy to find tourist services and accommodation for all budgets. If you are considering taking a vacation to Mexico, there are many exciting things to do and see in this beautiful country. You can visit famous Mayan ruins such as Chichen Itza, Tulum, and Palenque, explore natural beauty such as the Caribbean beaches of Cancun, the Riviera Maya, and Los Cabos, and hike the region of Agua Azul Falls and the Sumidero Canyon. The best time to take a vacation to Mexico depends on your personal preferences and the places you wish to visit. If you want to enjoy the beaches and the sea, the best months are from November to April when the weather is hot and dry in most of the country. However, keep in mind that these months are also the busiest of tourists, so accommodation rates may be higher. Now, make yourself comfortable and enjoy the 10 places to visit in Mexico. Number 10. Palenque is an ancient Mayan city located in the state of Chiapas. The city is known for its impressive architecture, intricate carvings, and beautiful natural setting in the jungle. Palenque is home to many important structures, including the Temple of the Inscriptions, the Palace, and the Temple of the Cross. These structures feature impressive architectural designs and intricate carvings that depict scenes from Mayan mythology and history. The city of Palenque is also surrounded by lush jungle, which provides a beautiful natural setting for the ancient ruins. Number 9. Xcaret Park is a popular eco-archaeological park located in the Riviera Maya. The park offers visitors a range of activities and experiences that showcase the natural beauty, culture, and history of the region. The park features a variety of attractions, including underground rivers, a butterfly pavilion, a coral reef aquarium, a Mayan village, and a Mexican cemetery. Visitors can also enjoy cultural performances, such as traditional dances and music, and witness the ancient Mayan ball game known as Pactapac. Xcaret Park is also committed to conservation and sustainability, with initiatives in place to protect the environment and preserve the culture and traditions of the region. Number 8. The cenotes of Yucatan are natural swimming holes or sinkholes that are found throughout the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. These cenotes are unique geological formations that have been formed over thousands of years due to the region's limestone bedrock, which is highly porous and allows for the formation of underground rivers and caverns. The cenotes are considered to be one of the most important natural resources, and they are popular tourist attractions for swimming, snorkeling, and diving. Some cenotes are completely open to the sky, while others are partially or completely underground. Overall, the cenotes of Yucatan are a fascinating and unique natural wonder that provide both recreational and ecological benefits to the region. Number 7. Copper Canyon Train is a train journey that takes passengers through the stunning Copper Canyon region in northern Mexico. The train ride is considered one of the most scenic in the world, as it travels through rugged mountain terrain and offers breathtaking views of the canyon. The journey starts in the city of Chihuahua and travels through 400 miles of rugged terrain, crossing 39 bridges and passing through 86 tunnels. The train stops at several stations along the way, including Creel, Divisadero, and El Fuerte. Along the route, passengers can enjoy stunning views of the canyon, which is deeper and wider than the Grand Canyon in the United States. The Copper Canyon train is considered one of the most iconic train journeys in the world. Number 6. Tulum is an ancient Mayan city located in the state of Quintana Roo on the east coast of the Yucatan Peninsula. The city is known for its impressive Mayan ruins, including the Temple of the Frescoes, the Temple of the Descending God, and the castle. Tulum is also famous for its beautiful beaches. The beaches have white sand and turquoise waters and are surrounded by lush tropical vegetation. Some popular beaches in Tulum include Playa Paraíso, Playa Ruinas, and Playa Santa Fe. Today, Tulum is a popular tourist destination and is known for its ecotourism activities, including snorkeling, scuba diving, and swimming in cenotes. Number 5. Cancun is a city located in the eastern part of the Yucatan Peninsula. It is known for its beautiful beaches, turquoise waters, and vibrant nightlife. Cancun is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Mexico. The city is divided into two main areas, the Hotel Zone, which is a long strip of beachfront hotels, restaurants, and nightclubs, and the downtown area, which is the city's commercial center. The city also has several attractions, including the Mayan Museum, the Cancun Underwater Museum, and the El Rey Archaeological Zone. Cancun is also a popular gateway to other nearby destinations, such as the Mayan ruins of Tulum and Chichen Itza. Number 4. Chichen Itza is an ancient Mayan city located in the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico. Chichen Itza was an important center of Mayan culture and was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The city is known for its impressive architecture, including the Pyramid of Kukulkan, the Temple of the Warriors, and the Great Ball Court. The Pyramid of Kukulkan is particularly notable for its advanced engineering and the way that the sun creates the illusion of a serpent descending the pyramid during the equinoxes. Chichen Itza was also an important center of astronomy and Mayan religion. The city has several astronomical observatories, and many of its buildings are aligned with astronomical events such as the solstices and equinoxes. Number 3. Uxmal is an ancient Mayan city located in the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico, approximately 80 kilometers south of Mérida. It is considered one of the most important archaeological sites of the Mayan civilization and is known for its impressive and well-preserved buildings, including the Pyramid of the Magician, the Governor's Palace, the Nunnery Quadrangle, and the House of the Turtles. The site is also known for its well-preserved Maya road system, which connects Uxmal to other important Mayan cities in the region. Uxmal was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1996. Number 2. Mérida is the capital city of the Mexican state of Yucatan, located in the southeastern part of Mexico. It is the largest city in the Yucatan Peninsula. It is known for its rich Mayan and colonial history, which is reflected in its architecture, museums, and cultural events. Some popular tourist attractions in the city include the Cathedral of Mérida, the Plaza Grande, the Palacio de Gobierno, and the Paseo de Montejo. The city is also known for its cuisine, which includes a blend of Mayan, Mexican, and European influences. Some popular dishes include cochinita pibil, salbutes, and panuchos. Number 1. Mexico City is the capital and largest city of Mexico. It is located in the central part of the country, in the Valley of Mexico. With a population of over 8.8 million people and a metropolitan area population of over 21 million, it is one of the largest cities in the world. Mexico City has a rich history and culture, with a mix of indigenous, Spanish, and modern influences. It is known for its vibrant art scene, museums, architecture, and cuisine, as well as its historic sites such as the Templo Mayor and the National Palace. Some of the most popular neighborhoods in the city include the Historic Center, Condesa, Roma, and Polanco. These are 10 places to visit in Mexico. What are you waiting for to visit them? you like the channel, subscribe. And we will take you to the most beautiful places in the world. See you next trip with Tourist Week. Bye.